prefer the hands-on experience. More fire, more smoke, more spice!
Hardships are meant to be shared. Oh, I used to be quite fond of adventures. Healing is my specialty.
You've never seen such raw power handled by a beauty such as me. The crispy ones are more fun. They last longer in the water. Cookies are small, sweet, repulsive abominations. Tell me, do you know what betrayal?
This! I want this!